Alright, this is just gonna be a quick short recap video. So you've already learned so much about schema markups, you've already learned so much about structured data, rich snippets, everything, and now you figure out how to put what to put, right? You've already implemented structured data and schema markups. How do you test it? We've already seen it earlier. So let's go back to our monitor, our screen. You get the link. You want to test, if you want to test the star ratings, you go to rich results, right? So you click test URL. If you want to test your normal structured data markup and see if it works well, you put it over there again. My bad, both of them. Okay, let's go to here, add sanity. Let's put the URL here. So first thing I would say is check the structured data validator, because it'll tell you if there's any errors. So 0 errors, 0 warning, 1 item. Great, it's already here. The other thing was the article schema, 0 errors, 0 warning, and then 1 item, right? So that's how you check it if it's working. If there's any errors, if there's any warning, you want to make sure they're all covered, because if there's error or warning, your structured data is not complete, it doesn't work, okay? Now, if it's a special feature snippet or rich snippet, and you want to check why or how it is still working or not, then you go to rich results text. Test the other type. So out of the two, we did this one first, and then we go to the rich results text test. You put the URL, and then you see what's going on, right? So if it's article, it says valid checkmark. It means passed. Everything's going to be shown. Checkmark again. Reviews going to be shown. Software apps checkmark shown, right? And then it is tied to your Google Search Console. You can see what content's getting that schema markup or not. It just takes time to show that data in your Search Console. It's possible. But once you have checks over here, that means everything is fine and good. And that's how you check and validate your schema markup, if it's working or not, right? What I'm going to do is also put links to marketing with WP featured snippet and marketing with WP rich snippets. So there's two contents that I have on the website. So one is featured snippet, one is rich snippet. Rich snippet is more concerned with the schema markups. What all can you do? How do you put it? So implementing and everything again is gonna be here. Implement structured data. How do you do it with SEOPress? So if you want a visual, written step-by-step content, it's gonna be there. And the other one is featured snippet, right? So what are they? How do you use them? You can also get access to these both content. I'm going to put it in the slide deck so you can go through it and read in more detail if you want to. But again, these are nice little features to have on your website to make your content stand out from everyone else in the search engine real estate. All right, I hope you learned a lot in this section. For me, it was a pleasure sharing this with you, because it took a long time for me to learn this and realize it, right? As I told you, I've been using SEOPress since 2016-17, and I could only implement something like this around 2020-21 because I did not have that sufficient data or information or research done. So I wish I had someone to walk me through it like this. Otherwise, it'd be really tough. So I hope you got the value out of it in this section, and I hope you can implement nice structured data that helps your content stand out for your website.